If you've ever stood in the kitchen wondering whether to grab a lemon or a lime, you're definitely not alone. They look similar, they both smell wonderfully fresh, and they both add that lovely citrus kick, but they're not quite the same. Here's a simple, friendly breakdown to help you choose the right one, depending on what you're making. Lemons, the bright, cheerful, all-rounder taste and feel. Lemons are sharp, zesty, and ever so slightly sweet. They've got that classic citrus flavor everyone recognizes. What they look like: bright yellow, a bit larger than limes, usually oval. Great for cooking, especially chicken, fish, pasta, and anything that needs a bit of brightness. Baking, perfect for cakes, tarts, muffins, and drizzle cakes. Drinks, ideal for teas, lemon water, and homemade lemonade. Cleaning, brilliant natural cleaner for chopping boards and sinks. Everyday wellness. Many people use it in morning warm water for a fresh start. Why people love lemons. High in vitamin C, helps with digestion, smells and tastes refreshing, naturally cleansing. When to pick a lemon. Whenever you want a softer, sweeter acidity, or you're baking something delicious. Limes, the punchy little powerhouse. Taste and feel. Limes are noticeably sharper than lemons, a bit tangier with a slight bitterness. They give food a proper kick. What they look like: small, round, and green. Simple as that. Great for savory dishes, brilliant in Mexican, Thai, Indian, and Caribbean meals. Drinks absolutely essential for mojitos, margaritas, and lime soda. Quick flavor boosts, squeeze over tacos, grilled meats, fruit, or crisp snacks, pickles and marinades, adds depth and sharpness. Garnishing, brightens up salads, soups, and seafood. Why people love limes. Packed with antioxidants, adds loads of flavor without extra salt. Helps digestion. Perfect partner for spicy foods. When to pick a lime. When you want a more intense zing, or you're making something savory, punchy, or spicy. So, lemon or lime? Honestly, neither one is better. They just have their own personalities. Want something sweetish and bright? Go for lemon. Fancy something bold and tangy? Go for lime. Baking? Lemon. Cocktails or spicy dishes? Lime. Cleaning around the kitchen? Lemon. Adding a finishing touch? Lime. In the end, it's less verse and more teamwork. Both bring something lovely to the table.